Hello, everyone. Welcome to my Crafty Advent Calendar series. Today, I'm going to open up the first door and create a card project using what's inside. This series is going to run through the 24th of December, and each day I'm going to have a video for you showing what's behind each door, and then I'm going to create a card using what's behind each door. I did this series last year using Spellbinder's Crafty Advent Calendar from 2022, and I had a blast. I love these Advent calendars. There are a lot of new ones on the market this year from other companies, but I think Spellbinder's is still my favorite. There's a wide variety of crafty goodies inside this calendar. A few of them will be Christmas cards, but most of them will be cards for different occasions. So let's find door number 1. And they changed the packaging just a little bit. They made it better. So I'm going to pop this piece right here, this little tab, and then I can pull open the door. And they have it covered with paper that you have to kind of rip through. Makes it a lot more fun. And then they also have printed on the back side of the door what's inside. So for day number 1, we get some dies. And let me give you a closer look at this. Let's open this up. I'll lay this out on a card panel. The cards I make are usually 5.5 by 4.25, and so that's the size of this card panel here. But you get a cute little bug car and extra little dies to go with it. You get a present for the top of the car and some ribbons and string dies. Here is the bow for the top of the Prezi. This long one here is a ribbon that you can attach it to the bug. And then you get a piece that inserts into the door that says "for you." And then these 2 circles are for the wheel and the hubcap. Now, I would love for you to craft along with me. So if you have this calendar, that's fabulous. Let's make a card. But if you don't, search through your stash and see if you have some similar dies that you could use to create this design. I'm going to dip into Spellbinder's November Quick and Easy Card Kit of the month. This is some of the pattern paper from the kit. And I'm so sad that they're not going to have their card kit of the month anymore. I'm still going to be using a lot of my card kits because I always have tons of leftovers. They replaced the card kit with a stencil of the month club, which I have, and I'm excited to show you a video using the December stencil of the month. I love stencils, especially the ones that are layering. So that video will be coming out really soon. To pop in the windows in this little bug, I'm using some double-sided adhesive from the card kit, and then some very pale blue cardstock. I'm using my pickup tool to pop these in. I don't know where exactly I want to put the car on this card yet, so this is an easy way to affix the window so they don't fall out. Now for the tires, I cut these out with some brushed black cardstock, so they have a little bit of a shine to them. And the hubcaps I cut out with brushed silver. I'll attach these with little dots of glue. It takes a little bit longer for this cardstock to dry because it has a sheen to it. The present I cut out with some red cardstock, as well as some red mirror cardstock. And again, this is going to take a little while to dry on the mirror cardstock. The bow I cut out with some gold mirror cardstock. I'll attach that with another dot of glue. Let's put the ribbon ends down first. And then I can put another dot of glue over this. Very hard to keep it in place. Then I'll attach the bow to the top. It looks so cute. But I am going to set it aside to allow it to dry for a minute. And now that all of my pieces are ready, I'm going to put this card together. This is a chipboard sticker that I'm using behind the car. And again, this is from the November card kit of the month. And then I decided to pop up the car with some foam squares. I'll put the car in front of the tree. And then this is a puffy sticker that I'm using for the sentiment. It says special delivery. And of course, the door of the car says for you. So this would be a great card to put a gift card inside of it. I think I might give this to one of my kids' teachers. The string of lights here is another chipboard sticker. And here is a close-up look at the finished card. So stay tuned for day number 2 coming up tomorrow. And at the end of this video, I'll have a link to last year's day number 1 if you want to go back and check that out. Links to some of the products that I used to create today's video will be listed in the description box below. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.